Mommy and Piper. Mommy and Piper. Cooking videos.
We're making cookies. We're making cookies, and I like cookies. And Mom's gonna put in the oven. And she's on, and she's gonna. And what's next? Okay, there we go. I can do myself. I like ice cream. I like ice cream.
So you're telling them what you're doing?
Making cookies
What are you doing right now, though? You're putting cookies on the what?
on the stove.
On the tray? You gotta space them apart. See? What kind of cookies are they?
The muffins. I gotta go teach you.
Yeah. That's where she tried to bite it.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Piper, what's next? What do we do now?
8.
Oh boy. Piper, what do we do next?
Water, bacon. Put them in the oven.
All right. Who do you put them in, or does Mommy put them in?
Me.
Try again.
Me. 1, 2, 3.
Mommy, quit touching them. All right. In the oven for 15 to 20 minutes.
I'm going to do it.
All right, let's do it. What? Are the cookies done? So what next? Tell them, how is it?
Okay.
You gotta tell them, how is it? Should they make these? You give them a thumbs up?
Mine.
Hey, where are you going?
It's all mine.
I think not.
Yeah.
So tell them, make these chocolate chip cookies.
Make these stuff cookies.
Did you?
Buy them at Target.
We bought them at Target, yeah. Is that our favorite store?
Then you gotta buy them at Target.
All right, tell them we'll see you guys next time.
You guys next time.
What do you want to make for them next time?
Hamburger salad.
Hamburger salad? Okay, all right. That's next. Bye.